Vestas and the wind turbine industry. So there are learning objectives. First is to understand the history, recognize the historical development of wind turbine technology, and the role of Vestas in the evolution of the industry. And last is to know Vestas' commitment and sustainability. So Vestas is a Danish multinational company, has played a vital role in shaping the wind turbine industry since its founding in year 1945. And for humble beginnings manufacturing agricultural equipment, Vestas has become a global leader in wind energy solutions. Their commitment to innovation, research and development, and sustainability has earned them a dominant market share and reputation for excellence. Vestas turbines are installed in wind farms across the globe, generating clean energy and contributing to a more sustainable future. So Vestas' success has a profound impact on the wind turbine industry. Their innovations have driven advancements in turbine efficiency, reliability, and power output, making wind energy more cost-effective and competitive with additional fossil fuels. So their global presence and market leadership have contributed to the expansions of the wind energy sector, attracting investments and driving growth. So Vestas' commitment to sustainability has set a benchmark for the industry, inspiring other companies to adopt environmentally responsible practices and sustainable solutions. The references as Vestas Annual Reports 2022, Wikipedia, news articles, academic research, and especially the Coursera. And the glossary is, we all know that the wind turbine is a device that converts the kinetic energy of a wind into electrical energy. And next is renewable energy. So part na siya sa Vestas and the wind sa turbine industry. Energy derived from natural sources that are replenished at a rate equal to a faster than their consumption. And onshore wind farm, wind turbine na belongs sa onshore wind farm and offshore. So the difference between the two is onshore wind farm is a farm located on land, typically generating electricity for the grid. And next is the offshore wind farm, which is a wind farm located in the ocean, generating electricity for the grid. So that is the difference between the onshore and the offshore wind farm. So next is distributed generation. Wind turbines installed at individuals to generate electricity for local serve. Next is hybrid system. Wind turbines installed at individual combined with other renewable energy sources like solar, hydropower for a more reliable and sustainable energy supply. And next is NASIA, the housing unit of a wind turbine that captures wind industry. And next is gigawatt, which is GW, that is gigawatt. So a unit of power equal to 1 billion watts. And next is blade, that is also parts of wind turbine, a rotating components of the wind turbine that capture wind energy. So next is tower. The tower is the supporting structure of a wind turbine that captures wind energy. Next is gear drive system, a corporate system that eliminates the gearbox, reducing weight and complexity. Next is sustainability, the ability to meet current needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet their own needs. And last is the corporate social responsibility, or the CSR. A company's commitment to acting ethically and responsibly towards its stakeholders, including the environment and society. So that's all. Thank you.